Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I just want to say thank you guys so much for getting me to 3,000 subscribers. So if you guys stay tuned until the end of the video, you guys can figure out how you guys can win $50 through Cash App from me. I will be sending somebody $50. The information to win the giveaway will be at the end of the video, so stay tuned. I know I'm all over the place. I've had a lot going on in my life. I just moved to Dallas a couple months, like a month ago now. I'm finally getting this video up, my empty apartment tour slash vlog slash giveaway. So that is what all of this is going to entail. It's going to be a little bit of a lot of different things. I know it's all over the place, but I just wanted to get this video out because I know I've been saying that I'm going to do a giveaway, and I need to just do it. I need to just get it done and get it out there. So if you guys want to win some money, keep watching the video, wait till the end. All of the rules will be in the description box down below as well, if you guys have any other questions. But yeah, other than that, give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Go ahead and comment some video suggestions you guys would like to see. Please follow me on all my social media platforms. I really appreciate it. And if you guys do feel like shopping, you guys can check out my affiliate links that will be in the description to save some money. So yeah.
Three hours later.
We made it! This camera's so good. This is the entrance. This is what you see when you walk in. This is our washer and dryer. This is back to the front door. And then to the left here, we have our bathroom. Me. Our lovely bath. Our closet. Hi, baby. So freaking big. Then you go over here to the straight across. This is our bedroom. Can't even see how big it is. I love that light up there. We don't have a window in here, so yes, it's so big, like so big. Okay, baby. And then our closet, our bedroom door, and then when we come out here is our kitchen. We ordered some stools that are gonna go there. Super cute, very spacious. We have so much cabinet space, electric stove, ice cube machine. Look at ice cube machine, babe. Our fridge. Our living room is right over here, which is very big as well. We have more closet space here. And then our windows to our patio. And then our patio. So nice. Yes, I love it. I'm so okay, the most important part everybody's probably been waiting to see. If you want to win some money, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at 𝐂𝐻𝑆tormm, and then comment your Cash App name in the comment section. The winner will be chosen at random, and you will be notified, because I won't be making a video on notifying the person, but you will be notified via Instagram that you won. And then I will obviously contact you before I Cash App you to make sure. I want to make sure you guys are real people. If you're a fake person, you're not gonna win, because I'm gonna check. So like I said, comment your Instagram name, comment your Cash App name, and follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you guys have any questions or are confused, the rules will be in the description. All you have to do to win 50 bucks. Okay, so go ahead and get to it, guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and wanting to see content from me. I just want to say thank you. So I just want to give back. I know it might not be much, but somebody in the world could use $50 extra right now, I'm sure, during a pandemic. So yes, like I said, comment your Instagram name, comment your Cash App name, follow me on Instagram, and make sure you subscribe. That's it. That's all. You don't have to post anything on your story. You don't have to post anything on your Instagram. That's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys haven't already. And if you guys want to win, go ahead and follow those rules. I'll be back in my next video, guys. Peace.